Oh my god.
Yep, that's me. Usually the girliest princess in the world. I love pink, I love glitter, I love all the frill and fritz of being a girl. So I thought, why not today literally do the polar opposite of my aesthetic? Goth. So what am I gonna look like as a goth princess? Well, let's find out.
What is up, beautiful people? We are just swinging our hair all over the place because I've got a lot of hair today. Whoop-de-doo-dah. Extensions, obviously. But anyways, hey, what's up? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, well, let's just say it's opposite day. So you guys really love my makeover videos, not just on fashion and bedroom decor, which I must say, toot toot my own horn, I am quite good at that, but also on myself. I've given myself all sorts of different kinds of makeovers before, and I thought today I would go ahead and do the full opposite of my aesthetic. Goth. Why not? Life's short, try everything once. So today, girly old me is gonna be turned into a goth queen a la myself and some internet tutorials. So, without further ado, here we go. A very extra, oh my god, I give myself a goth makeover. This is gonna be so good. Ah yes, the perfect bedroom of a goth princess. This is literally gonna be hilarious. Okay, so, woo! Alright, so every time I wear something strapless, I tend to look naked, so I figured I would open the video by being like, you know, just so you know, I'm not naked, da-da, da-da. Okay, we are thinking pink today. We've got a fun little strapless pink corseted top. I think this is from Misguided. Some denim booty shorts because I love wearing booty shorts, you know, honestly all year round, but of course, especially in the summer months. Got a cute little vintage belt to pop it off, of course, to match with, look at that. We got the pink in the sneaker. That matches the pink in the top and matches the pink in the bag. Oh my god, I just got this bag. So cute! I actually got quite a few new bags the other day, so I'll do a new purse haul like soon, but you know, for now, on newest little child, and yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear the construction. It is so loud outside. Oh my god, it's driving me crazy. But anywho, that is our little outfit of the day to go on a little goth shopping spree. So let's see what kind of goodies we can dig up so we can go from girly to official goth fabulous chic. I am so excited. So here we go. You're not even gonna recognize me when I'm done. Are you still gonna love me? Yes, I love you, little fox. Okay. See you soon, honey. Side note, how cool is this? We just rolled right on up to the Walk of Fame because in LA, you can actually shop here. Pretty cool. So we are gonna hit up the ultimate in goth shopping. And you guess where? Probably. Perfect. Okay, to be honest, I don't know what I'm gonna get in here, but let's find out. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my god, this could totally be a vibe. Oh, hell yeah. Accessories. Okay, let's see. To be honest, this stuff kind of slaps. Dead inside. Perfect. Could be a vibe. Ooh, pretty. Kind of cool. Oh my god, should I get some evil rings? Well, that one's kind of cool. I think these are my favorites. Oh my god, cool! This is fun. This is cool. Huh. Whoa. These are a mood. Could be a vibe. Oh, hell yeah. We definitely gotta get some tights. Oh. Hell yeah. I look so out of place. I'm smiling under here. Vibes. Okay. You know, to be honest, some of this is kind of a look. Huh. Low-key kind of a mood. Get some makeup here. The color is called Cursed. Perfect. Oh, a belt like this. Hell yeah. Perfect. Oh my god, yay! This is so funny. Woohoo! Alrighty, kids. Let's go. Oh, that was fun. Okay, so now we're just going to go, I think, to a craft store because I want to see if I can get some temp tattoos. Ooh. So fashion. Okay. All right, we're also gonna get some stickers to look like tattoos. This'll work. Alrighty, so we are back from our adventures. Are you ready to see what we got? Hi, honey bear. I love you. Okay. All right, we honestly got a bunch of random shenanigans. I'm so excited. So, here we go. Let's get goth.
Okay, so of course, as always, you don't start any makeover video without a good before. So here is me before, but that's, you know, me ready. So here is the actual me before. That's what I really actually look like. So that's our before, and let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and start with some makeup. Ooh la la. There are so many cool looks. OMG, I was dying. Goth makeup is like iconic. Wow, look at this.
I think we're gonna go with this. Mood. So many options. Okay. Bruh, these girls are beautiful. Ooh, can I pull this off? I don't know. Let's try. All right, I'm gonna take my makeup from earlier off. There we go. Cool. Okay. Let's see if we can redo our eyeliner to look like that.
Okay, so we're just gonna do some black eyeshadow because that seemed to be a vibe. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're just gonna kind of do some stuff. Bust out the eyeliner because you guys know I always have hella winged liner, but we're gonna make it hella winged liner.
I look crazy. I have no idea how to do this. Okay.
Just scribble that on there. I don't know. I wish I knew how to explain what I'm doing, but I don't even really know what I'm doing. So, woo! Look at that though. Hot damn.
Oh, you know, we love subtle. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, so what now? I don't even know. We're just gonna draw some other like little scribbles and speckles and yeah.
I don't really know what that is, but that's fine. We're just gonna go with that. That's an eyeliner look I just made up. It looks a little crazy, but that's fine.
Add some glitter on there, and of course we're gonna add on some eyebrows because I, you know, just gonna darken them up. Of course, some lashes because duh.
I feel bold without eyelashes. Okay.
Wow, honestly fierce. Okay, I'm impressed. Again, I wish I knew what I did to achieve this look, but I don't. But it looks very cool in my, you know, humble opinion. Avi, gotta get the black lips because that's fun. So we got our cursed lip matte cream thing. Just gonna put that on. Oh my god. Kind of cool. Okay.
Oh my god, it looks kind of good. Kind of being the operative word, but not bad. Considering I don't even know what I just did, not that bad. Whoa. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, work it. Boom. All right, now we gotta do our hair.
So now we're gonna do our hair.
Okay, so we're gonna go Elvira style. Woo! As long can be.
So we got the hella long clip-ins today. These are 30-inch clip-in extensions. Oh my god, these are so long. Jet black. Love it. I was already wearing them earlier, but we're gonna add in some more to make it just, you know, more.
Oh! Are you scared yet? I should have done this around Halloween. Okay, but I guess when you're this bored inside, you just do this in July. Okay.
Love it, love it, love it. Killing it. Elvira twins. Now my favorite part of any makeover, the outfit. All right, so we're gonna go in my closet. As you can see, it's kind of like, I mean, usually it's very pink and glittery and fun, though I must say I do have a lot of black clothes, so we gotta have something in here. Probably not. All right, I tried quite a few things, but I'm not wild about any of these. But after trying on a couple of frilly black dresses, I think we pulled out some stuff that actually will work, namely, lingerie as clothes, my favorite. Oh, George is having a great time today. So we put on a corset, we whipped out the accessories, the belt, the skirt. Oh my god, all the Hot Topic stuff. So we, you know, attached the little chain thing, slipped on some corseted tights because hello, no look is complete without corseted tights. Da-dun, da-dun, da-dun. As for shoes, I don't really know what shoes we're gonna wear, though I think these will do. These like little black Mary Janes.
God, do I even have any purses that'll go with this? This one kind of blinged out goth, yes.
All right, back to the accessories. Got all the jewelry, put on our fabulous dead inside necklace. We love it. Add on this ear thing. This took me a really long time. It was actually more confusing than it should have been. Or maybe I'm just dumb today. I don't know. It is late at night. So we got the demonic rings. Wow, I'm kind of into this, honestly. Is this hot? Low-key it is. Okay.
Oh my god.
You know, use the stickers to put on a fake little 13 tattoo. Fun fact, I was born on a Friday the 13th, by the way. And oh my god, are you guys ready for this? Drum roll, please! Here we go. We are going to do the grand finale, grand reveal. But before, of course, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good YouTubery stuff. Wow, I am so professional. Okay, so anyways, back to the drum roll. A good last look at the before. Dun 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 dun. Here we go. The goth makeover of me.
Oh my god. Who the heck is that? This is just a whole... Oh my god, it's a whole look. Wow. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. I literally look like a different person. Okay, so we're gonna do a very goth outfit of the day. Oh my god, I literally can't. This is insane. For the actual outfit, we got this little black bustier with a little black skirt. I went ahead and put on the belt with it and this chain because that just seemed like a good time. I feel like an evil princess. Honestly, for doing this myself, it doesn't look that bad. You can see I put in some crazy hair clips. Oh my god, these are so fun. This makeup look is honestly a look, aside of the fact that the black keeps coming off on the inside, so it like looks kind of crazy, but you know.
Like, even this jacked up makeup looks kind of cool. I vibe with it.
I look so out of place in my own room. A mood, honestly. Vibes. Hello, welcome to my princess dungeon castle. Oh my god, you can see all the crazy jewelry. So fun! We got these wild dangly guys, the dead inside necklace. This is actually like barbed wire looking, so funny. We got this cuff that's literally hurting my ear so bad. You can see it like turned red. It's killing me. Beauty is pain. Obviously, nothing's complete without thigh-high corset tights. Hi! And you know, heels because it's me. Honestly, I'm super into it. This is a whole mood. Like, look how cool. Even my little tattoo. Oh my god, vibes. Like, you know, I never really thought of it before, but honestly, being goth is like maybe the most extra style there is. You have to really go out of your way to look like this every day. And honestly, mad respect to all y'all. You really work it. Definitely certifiably a look. Except for this lipstick is really making me look crazy. Oh my god, it kind of looks like I have a beard. Facial hair is really hot to me, but I mean, I guess not on me. Oh god, and this. This is 100% how I would dress if I was goth. Maybe I will be goth. This is fun. Overall, I would say we frickin' nailed it. I feel like an evil Bratz doll. That is fashion. Nailed it. A mood, honestly. Vibes. Do you recognize me, honey? Look at me, baby. No? My little evil partner in crime. I love you. Work. Oh, so nice to know you love me no matter what I'm wearing. That's so sweet of you. Don't run away. I love you. Whoa, this is wild. So, anyways, there you have it, you guys. That was me giving myself a goth makeover. It's so much fun to shake up your style every once in a while, especially something so severe like this. Ooh! Wow. I'm gonna have to do this sometimes. Remember, fashion and style is just that. It's fun, it's silly, it's whatever it is you want to be. It's just another way to express yourself. So whatever makes you feel like the most fabulous version of yourself, do that. Always. Not just in fashion either. Everything in life. Food, friends, activities, dreams, whatever makes you feel like a star. And on that note, I will see you guys next time. I love you so, 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 so very much. Goth kisses from me to you. XO. Oh my god, my ear is so red. I gotta take this off. I think we should give ourselves one more tattoo. Now that is perfect. Very sexy. I am insane.